peacocks! Today is a very special episode. As we know, the color pink is in fashion, guys, again. So I'm gonna make a Barbie outfit. No, I'm kidding. No, I'm not gonna make this. You probably saw the title of this video. I made an outfit inspired from BTS music video, Boy with Love. So without further ado, let's get started. So I went to the store and I'm not kidding, guys, pink was everywhere. Everywhere I was looking, there was a pink outfit, a pink pants or a t-shirt. It wasn't difficult at all to find something that can match with the aesthetic of this video. All you need is a pink pants and a pink t-shirt and something, you know, just a jacket on top. But when it comes to clothes, I want everything to be perfect. And when I mean perfect, I don't want to have any mistakes. So that's why I tried a lot of pants. Actually, I tried 2 pants because the other, I didn't like them very much. And it wasn't the exact thing that I was looking for. The first one was okay, but I felt it like a little bit tight. The second one, it's getting worse, guys. It's not good. But I find a lot of cute accessories, like this beautiful bag right here. I was obsessed with this. And, okay, since I couldn't find anything that I like, and I already have some fabric pieces that can match very well with, you know, with the shirt, I'm gonna make the shirt real quickly. I don't know what I'm going to do with the pants. I'm gonna deal with that later. I've already have the pieces cut. Because a few years ago, when I was in my fashion school, my teacher gave me those, you know, pieces of fabric that were already prepared to be like an oversized shirt. I've never had the time to finish them because I was doing other projects, etc. So now is the day, after 6 years, 5 years, to complete a shirt. I hope that I'm gonna be able to make something with those. I'm gonna show you my outfit today. I'm gonna make a total pink outfit, and now I'm wearing a total purple outfit. The most 2 beautiful colors, guys. So now I'm gonna make the pattern without worrying how much fabric I have. And after that, this is a problem that I'm going to solve. Guys, I'm so happy because I just found that the fabric is enough. I don't have any extra fabric if I do any mistake. I don't want to be like a peacock, but I don't do mistakes.
He's a liar.
When it comes to showing, when it comes to speak English, yes, I do many mistakes. People, they say, why you don't telling that, you know, in Greek? But I want to be able to communicate with most of you guys because Greek, it's not a language that a lot of people can understand. So now I'm gonna put the pattern carefully on the fabric. So I'm gonna start with the sleeves. Yes. This is perfect. This is gorgeous.
Can't call me artist. Can't call me idol. 아님 어떤 다른 뭐라 해도 idol.
From BTS is Dionysus, obviously because I'm from Greece, and this song is blowing. I also learned the choreography a few years ago. It's perfect. It's amazing. And the most favorite that I can hear this song all day, it's Aeroplane 2. My favorite song. You can see. I'm listening this right now. Yep, here we are. This is it. Aeroplane 2. The best song ever. BTS. We're going from Mexico City, London to Paris. Whatever we go, doesn't matter, it's a party. So here, this is the back, this is the front. Flip it. It's ready. Okay, let's see what we have here. Ooh yeah, I'm on fire. So the last step is to connect the sleeve. Well, it's not actually the last step, but let's go connect the sleeve. It's there, right there behind me. Come here. When you're gonna put your sleeves, guys, you must be very focused. So you should not listen BTS music. No. So let's go. Cause I'm in that church. So what we need now and be in the rhythm. You should not try to learn choreography. And you should not watch BTS video or any other K-pop video in this case. You should be very, very focused. You understand that? I finished with the sleeves. Let's try them on. Okay. I don't want to say this, but I nailed it. So the only thing that left is to put the buttons. You can see here the marks right here. But I think I'm gonna go a little bit extra with the button. I don't know if I had buttons. Must be somewhere. And something that is working. No, I found those two small buttons. You can see them very clear. Not exactly what I'm looking for, so maybe I have to buy.
Energy. You know you're not only no one, it's a blow, but not what I get for. Can I get a little bit of hope? From the top to the get walk.
So I thought that I could make Jungkook pants or V pants, one of those. But I think that at the end I'm gonna do like the general idea. As always, we're gonna start with the pattern. I have my paper here, my scissors, and my glasses. Yes, I need glasses. So let's get started. This is a lot of pieces of paper. Okay, we need to put all these pieces in this fabric right here. Here is our fabric. It's not the same color with the pink, but I made the top part. This is a lot of fabric. It's about 3 meters, 3.5, something like this. All my pieces are finally ready, guys. And now I'm gonna do a zigzag stitch around them so that it doesn't frame. In the meantime, music break.
Another My heart's carrying too many that I can't even count them.
Their pants are finally ready. Look at that movement, guys. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm really tired, so maybe I'm gonna do the t-shirt tomorrow. So now we're going home. Good morning, beautiful peacocks. So as it turns out, I didn't make a t-shirt because it's a very simple t-shirt and I really don't want to waste time with this. I bought a t-shirt at the store and just a simple t-shirt with pink color, and now get ready for the final result. That will do for this video. I hope you like this video so much. Be safe, guys, be careful, and always have fun. Bye bye, peacocks.